I'm Juliette Denny. I am the founder and managing director of Growth Engineering. We've been in the market for quite a long time, so about 19 years. And one of the things that we wanted when we looked around the market for learning technologies, one of the things that we were very aware of is a lot of the learning technologies weren't really suited to salespeople. So salespeople were really, really difficult to educate online. And so what we tried to do is come up with a platform that was really, really engaging, and that's still where we are today. So from those kind of early roots of really trying to make something that people love, we're still playing that game. The challenge in learning technologies is the fact that it is all focused on the delivery of content, not the changing of behaviour. And so what we try and do is make learning into a habit, and we do that using gamification, using social, and using your own brand to really kind of pull out that epic meaning. And once we can do that, we can create a learning solution that people are coming into every single day, and they're, absolutely loving it. And that's how we can get the return on investment, because learning is about creating curiosity about your brand, what you do, what your strategy is, and it should be something that is not necessarily viewed as a moment in time. So that's really our speciality. We're a platform company, so we have a learning management system, or LXP. We have a mobile-first app, and then we also have a content authoring tool. And the reason that we've got those three tools is that we want to a certain extent, help our customers curate these, platforms of curiosity that their learners really, really love. So of course we work with third-party content providers, but what we're really trying to do is ensure that from the moment that team member gets onto the platform, they're really seeing a lot of them. It's very personalized, it's personalized to the brand, and it really resonates with them and why they've chosen that career. We really focus on engagement. For us, it is all about engagement, and we do that using a couple of different tools. First of all, gamification. Secondly, high levels of social. Thirdly, really using your brand, your vision, what the customer is passionate about, and entwining that into the look and feel of the platform. And then finally, curating content in a way that learners want to see it. A great example would be someone like L'Oreal. So L'Oreal obviously have a brand which typifies luxury and beauty. And so when they're on our learning solutions, we want that team member to feel like they're in L'Oreal world. Everything is perfectly curated, perfectly branded, and is delivered in a way that they would expect their products to be delivered to their customers. One of the things I absolutely love about the way we work with our customers is it is a solid partnership. So when you're coming into our ecosystem of technology, often you won't be familiar with gamification, you won't be familiar with social advocacy, you won't be familiar with things like epic meaning. So the start point is always to find out more about what the company does in terms of the missions and the values and what they're trying to get out. So we work with them very, very much hand in glove. We take them through a series of training to show them how they can really make gamification, social, epic meaning come alive on their platform, and then of course help them to implement that with all of the technology that is needed to do that. Learning Technology is an absolutely fantastic show. One of the things that we wanted to do when we came to Learning Technology is really show our commitment to sustainability. So we are lucky enough to work with some really big energy companies, and one of the things that we are doing in partnership with them is linking the planting of trees and the growing of knowledge within their organization. So through our gamification functionality, we're able to say, if you do this learning, we're going to plant a tree. And so we've really got a really nice connection between, them actually seeing their knowledge about the company growing, but at the same time really giving back to something that's so important to us all. So I am really excited about that initiative. And I'm also going to be presenting on the stage all about how we use engagement strategy to really drive return on investment for our clients. One of the things that I absolutely love about my career is that ever since I created Growth Engineering, I pretty much loved every single day working at Growth Engineering. And the reason is we just have the most phenomenal team. They are so creative, so passionate, so dedicated. And we've also got a client base that are willing to take innovation to the next level. And so it's really, really gratifying to know that some of the solutions that we put in place, they're not anywhere else on the market, and they're making a big, big impact to the companies that we work with.